Yes, isn't this a wonderful thing? Still got some ice and snow, but it sure is nice to see the sun shining too. I think I might have to get, well, I need to go down and get my garbage can. Garbage ran this morning. Took the can down last night, and I need to go down to the mailbox and pick up the garbage can. And I was just thinking, well, it'd be nice if I had an old farm truck to just kind of run around here on the place. Wouldn't that be nice if a fella had just had an old Chevy or something like that? Hop in and run to the mailbox. Oh, wait a minute, what about this? This might work. Let's see what she'll do. Yeah. My neighbors across the canyon called, I guess, back in December sometime, and said they're building another Jeep. They're the one that built that weapons carrier, and they're building another rig of some kind. And anyway, they called, and some of the about the bed they got for it or whatever, something they got for it came packaged with some bracing in it, some metal bracing inside it or whatever, and they just want to let me know they saved that metal for me, because they know I'm always cutting and grinding and welding and all that stuff. So I think this might be a good day to just run over there and see if I can pick up that metal. I don't know how much there is, but I'll probably throw it on the back of this thing and take a look at their project as well. So I'll take you guys along. If you want to go, hop in. She's a little cold-blooded, most of them old Chevys are.